Advantage credit card import module is a useful feature that allows you to create AP bills from imported credit card statement files. Once imported, several fields can be used with pattern matching to automatically assign the general ledger account to be used when creating the bill. This can save a lot of time and effort, especially for complex or lengthy statements. This system currently only supports American Express statement files exported directly from their website. It all starts with the Import CC statement screen. This screen is divided up into two sections: the header, which defines the entire statement, which we need to fill out 2 required fields and a couple of optionals. The vendor is where the new AP bill will be sent to. The default account is typically not used, as it would require almost all the lines on the bill to be coded to the same account. Otherwise, it is more useful to keep it empty so that we can see what is uncoded. After we save all the information in the header, it has now created a new empty statement. We can fill the statement by clicking the Upload File button, clicking Choose File, and finding the statement that we downloaded from the American Express website. Once loaded into the screen, you will notice these are all the lines contained in the file that you downloaded. Some of these lines have already been assigned an account, as we can see here. The reason is because I have set up some default tags already, and those tags are being recognized from this field here. If we go on to the next tab for American Express account defaults by tags, you can see the ones that I have set up. So for example, outside services, every instance of outside services in the tag field will now get the same account. Outside services. If you wish to add a new pattern matching for a tag field, you can do that by assigning an account here and clicking the default account to tag button. This alerts you to the fact that the account has now been defaulted to this tag, dues and subsidies. And if you look in the other tab for account defaults, you can see dues and subsidies has appeared. The same thing can be done for descriptions and categories as well. Another way to get pattern matching to take effect and automatically code is to manually enter it. So let's say we wanted to match all Mouser Electronics to one account. We can do that by going into the description tab, adding a new record, selecting an account, and typing in Mouser. In order to get all instances of Mouser, regardless of any other information that might be on the line, we can use a wildcard, which is the % sign. What this says is anything that starts with a Mouser and ends with any other string will match. So we save this and we go back. We can now see that all Mouser Electronics are now matching to that account that we set up. This is especially useful for lines like Shopify, where this transaction number may change with every entry. Once you have all of your lines coded to your satisfaction, we would then click on the Create AP Bill, select which lines we want to put on the new AP bill, and notice the amount is increasing, and click the Process button. Once complete, your new AP bill will appear on the screen. From this point on, it is all Acumatica processing to complete the process.